In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix website in 2025, free and easy. Start on the Wix dashboard under My Sites. If you're prompted, sign into your Wix account so you can access your sites. From here, click Create New Site. Wix may offer a guided chat builder, but for this walkthrough, we'll choose Setup Without Chat. This keeps you in full control of the setup and makes it straightforward to follow along. Next, you'll see a prompt to describe your website. Type a short, clear description of what your site is about. Think of the main service, product, or purpose. These details help Wix suggest the right pages and tools later. When you're done, click Continue. You'll be asked to choose your site name. Keep it short, memorable, and relevant to your brand or project. Don't worry if you're not ready to commit. You can change it later. Once you've entered a name you like, click Continue. Now, select your site goals. Pick the outcomes that match what you need, such as showcasing your work, getting bookings, selling products, or collecting leads. Your selections guide Wix in recommending features like galleries, contact forms, or booking tools. When your goals are set, click Continue. Wix will show suggested features. Click Add and continue to accept the recommendations that fit your needs. Then, click Design Site to move into the creative part of the process. For a quick start, Pick a template. Templates give you professionally designed layouts that are mobile responsive and easy to tweak. Browse by category, or use the search bar to find something that matches your niche. Open a preview to see how the template looks across pages and on mobile. When you find the right fit, click Edit to open the Wix editor. Here you can customize text, images, colors, and sections. Take a moment to hover over elements and see what you can change. The left panel manages pages and apps, and the top bar handles saving and publishing. Save regularly as you explore. Once you're happy with the foundation, click Publish to make your site live on a free Wix domain. Wix will confirm that your site is public. Finally, click View Site to open it in a new tab and see exactly what visitors will experience. That's it. Your Wix website is up and running. You can return to the editor anytime to fine-tune content, switch templates, connect a custom domain, or upgrade if you need advanced features. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your site.